Hey guys, happy Easter! Welcome back to the Yobi1 channel. Today we are getting into this glitter green. You want to come up here with mama? This is Shelby from the Shelby Show, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you go and subscribe to her channel if you have, especially if you have little ones. All right, can I finish doing my intro? All right, thanks. All right, guys, so today we're going to get into this green rainbow glitter look that I have going on. I was just sitting here and I'm like, I want to do something different. I want to make it fun, but I want to make it cute. And so I think I achieved it. I'm still learning how to work the white liner because this is not the easiest thing to get straight on, and by no means is it straight, and you'll see in the video. I mean, I still have parts that need to be cleaned up, but I'm just gonna keep practicing. And that's the thing with makeup, you just have to keep practicing at your craft and you'll continually get better. And so I haven't done a lot of looks with white liner, but the more I do it, the better that I get, and I'm just gonna keep at it. And so guys, if you like this look, you already know what to do. And if you're not subscribed to the Yobi1 channel, I want you to go ahead and look right down there and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you are always notified when we upload new fun videos.
We out.
look like I should be on RuPaul's Drag Race.
I'm touching it.